Hey everyone, my name is Elio, co-founder and CEO at Scalestack. Wanted to give you a quick overview about what we do. So Scalestack is an autonomous revenue engine. What that means is that we have AI agents that get into your CRM and clean, enrich, and prioritize data and create a system that works on its own instead of maybe stitched up solutions that people have built so far, to have a scalable way to create and maintain a foundational data model that companies can rely on for their go-to-market at scale. Three main pillars into Scalestack. The first one is integrations. You can plug any of your CRMs, data sources, sales and marketing tools into Scalestack. And this is key because at enterprise scale, you have a combination of these data sources and tools and systems. And what's difficult is not just to say, buy ZoomInfo or plug ZoomInfo data into the CRM. What's difficult is to neatly and cleanly and dynamically correlate the data that you have or buy to the ICP. And to do that, we deploy the second pillar of our platform, which is a composable and modular workflow builder. So let's say that you have to prioritize accounts. We start from the data that you have in your CRM. We map your ICP in whatever detail you need. So we're not a database, and so we don't have a library of attributes that you can buy from Scalestack. Whatever your ICP is, we'll map it, and then we'll deploy modules. And these modules perform operations on top of the data. We have formulas, API requests, decision steps, data enrichment steps, and then AI capabilities to synthesize, normalize, and generate new data. And this is the third pillar. We have a library of agents that can work for you to research, validate, decide which data points to use in which situations. And so with a combination of several of these modules, we'll progressively clean, enrich, maybe around your territories. We can map all of your territories in our platform, and then normalize, standardize, make sure that there is unique identifiers, clean hierarchies between accounts, and then enrich based on maybe Crunchbase data or other forms of data that you want to have. And this is going to work at massive scale. There is no rate limits that we cannot handle. We can do this for hundreds of thousands or millions of records in whatever detail you need to generate. And this is what we call the autonomous revenue engine, a platform that is used by MongoDB, Redis, Astronomer, really strong customers that rely on Scalestack to scale their go-to-market. Thank you.